Hey tech friends, welcome back in tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to backup and restore charts on WhatsApp. So in this, I will guide you on the easiest and step-by-step process to backup and restore charts on WhatsApp. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your WhatsApp application on mobile device. So after opening that application, now you can see on the top on the right side, three dot option is there. Tap on this. So inside then, now you can see a setting option is there. Tap on settings. So inside setting, now you can see a charts option is there. Tap on this. So scroll it. So now you can see here chart backup option is there. So tap on chart backups. So from here, now it's showing that a Google account. So you have to select your Google account in which you want to backup and restore. So and from here you can select the frequency, and if you want to include your video and all, you can toggle on this option, but I don't want. So after giving all permission, so now you can see a backup option is there. Tap on backup. So it will take a moment. So after that, it will be asking for your verification, that your phone number. So you have to give permission for the verification. So then it will give some option at the down for restore. So tap on that restore. So in this way you can do the backup and restore on a WhatsApp. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.